Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Lukman, mentor today, message number 2022260784. Today, our group will be presenting a case study on the organization development and change based on the Maybank. Malaya Banki Berhad, or simply known as a Maybank, is the largest financial institution in Malaysia and one of the leading banks in the Asia. Established in 1960, Maybank serves more than 31 million customers across 80 countries through an extensive network of branches and digital banking service. Maybank's vision is to become a global leader in the Islamic banking, while its mission is humanizing financial service. This reflects the company's commitment to providing excellent financial solutions while creating positive value for its customers, employees, and the community. As the banking industry becomes more competitive and technology-driven, Maybank has continually invested in the digital transformation, innovation, and workforce development. The bank has introduced AI-driven service, enhanced its digital banking platform, and implemented flexible work practice to improve customer experience and employee performance. The case is particularly interesting because Maybank has successfully balanced technological advancement with the employee well-being and organizational growth. Instead of focusing only on technology, organization has also invested in leadership development, employee engagement, and continuing learning, making it a strong example for effective organizational development.
Assalamualaikum. For my part, I will be discussing the change and organization development or OD-related issue faced by Maybank in the post-pandemic era. There are two main issues that I would like to highlight. The first issue is digital transformation and employee adaptation to the new technologies. After the COVID-19 pandemic, customer behavior changed significantly and more customers started using online and mobile banking instead of visiting physical branch. Because of this, Maybank had to accelerate its digital transformation by improving its digital platforms, enhancing cybersecurity, and introduce more advanced technologies such as AI and digital banking service. According to Maybank Integrated Annual Report 2025, the bank recorded over 1 trillion in digital transactions across ASEAN in final year 2025. This clearly shows that digital banking has become one of the most important parts of Maybank business. However, digital transformation is not only about implementing new technology, it also requires employees to adapt to the new system, learn new digital tools, and develop new skills. Some employees may find it difficult to adjust, especially those who are more familiar with traditional banking practice. This situation may lead to resistance to change where employees feel uncertain or uncomfortable when adapting to new technologies. Therefore, from an organization development perspective, Maybank must continue to provide training of digital upskilling programs and effective communication to ensure employees are fully prepared for the transformation. The second issue is the transition to a hybrid work model and maintaining employee engagement. After the pandemic, employees expected greater flexibility in the way they work. In response, Maybank introduced a hybrid work model that allow employees to work both remotely and from the office. Although the approach offers greater flexibility, it also creates several organization challenges. Communication becomes more difficult when employees work from different locations. Teamwork may be less effective, and manager needs a new leadership approach to monitor employee performance remotely. Besides that, employee engagement and well-being also become important concerns. Employees who work remotely for a long period may feel less connected to the organization, which can affect their motivation and productivity. To support the transition, Maybank invested 115.76 million in learning development with more than 42,000 employees participating in learning programs. In addition, over 9,300 employees benefit from flexible working arrangements, showing Maybank's committed to support employee development and work-life balance. In conclusion, the two issues demonstrate that successful organization change is not only adapting new technology or introducing new policy. More importantly, it depends on how well organization prepares, supports, and develop employee throughout the change process. Overall, Maybank has shown that investing in employee development, continuous learning, and effective change management is essential to ensure that organization transformation can be successfully achieved. That's all from me. Thank you.
Before I begin, I would like to ask a simple question. When a company faces major changes after a crisis, what should it fix first? Its technology, its people, or its way of working? My name is Shafiqah Kamode, student ID 20225406. Let us start. For my bank, the answer was not just one area. The bank needed to improve all three. In this section, I will explain how my bank overcame its post-pandemic challenges through an organizational development or OD approach. My bank's recovery after the pandemic came from clear planning and action. The bank needed to improve its financial performance, but the biggest issue was not only profit. Its way of working had become less flexible. Maybank faced challenges in meeting customer needs, improving digital services, and connecting its operations across different countries. The fast growth of digital banking during the MCO made these issues clearer. When Datuk Khairul Saleh Ramli became Group CEO in May 2022, he saw that Maybank needed a new direction. This led to the M25 Plus strategy, which was introduced in October 2022. M25 Plus was not only about financial targets, it focused on making Maybank more flexible, more customer focused, and better connected across the region. This shows the importance of diagnosis in OD. Before making changes, Maybank looked at customer problem, market changes, and internal business issues. This helped the bank understand what needed to be improved and plan suitable actions. Now, leadership was important in this change. Datuk Khairul Saleh Ramli was the main change agent. He gave clear direction, shared the new vision, and made important decisions. However, Maybank did not depend only on top management. Employees were also involved in the change process. For example, more than 600 employees joined the M25 Plus Agile space. They studied customer journeys, they identified problems, and suggested solutions. This gave employees a chance to take part in the change instead of only following instructions. Maybank also focused on technology and employees. Under the Raw 30 strategy, the bank committed 10 billion ringgit Malaysia to technology, data and artificial intelligence. The aim was to improve its systems, reduce repeated work across the region, improve customer experience, and make its operations stronger. At the same time, Maybank invested in employee development. The bank found that 60% of performance challenges in Maybank Indonesia happened because the training did not fully match the actual job task. To solve this, Maybank improved its training programs and provided learning in AI, cloud technology, and data analytics. More than 18,000 employees completed structured digital training. Overall, Maybank overcame its post-pandemic challenges by understanding its biggest issues involving leaders and employees and investing in technology and people. This helped the bank become more flexible, stronger, and ready for future challenges. Now, that will be all from me. Thank you.
Next, I will present the effectiveness of the action taken by Maybank in addressing its organizational development challenges. The action implemented by Maybank through its M25 Plus strategy have shown positive impact on employees, operation, and overall organizational performance. Effectiveness on people and operation. Firstly, the action taken improved employee readiness. Through continuous digital upskilling and learning programs, Maybank successfully enhanced employees' digital capabilities. Employees became more confident, adaptable, and prepared to embrace technological changes. This helped reduce resistance to change because employees were equipped with the necessary skill to adapt to the new working environment. Secondly, Maybank increased operational efficiency. The adoption of artificial intelligence, automation, and digital tools help streamline business processes. This technology reduces manual tasks, minimize error, and improve our speed of decision making. As a result, employees were able to work more efficiently and the organization achieve better productivity. The next, the initiative enhance employee engagement and well-being. Maybe hybrid work arrangement and employee well-being initiative supported a better work-life balance. This effort improve employee motivation, collaboration, and job satisfaction. A more engaged workforce also contribute to stronger organizational performance. Moving to the organizational impact, the fourth effectiveness is better customer experience. Maybe digital transformation provided customer with faster, more convenient, and personalized banking services. This improves customer satisfaction and strengthens customer trust toward Maybank digital platform. Fifth, Maybank achieves strong business performance. The success of digital transformation can be seen when Maybank recorded more than RM1 trillion in digital transactions across ASEAN. This shows that customers have successfully adopted Maybank digital banking services and reflect the effectiveness of the transformation initiative. Six, Maybank gained stronger competitive advantage. The M25 Plus strategy strengthened Maybank's position as a leading digital bank in ASEAN. Continuous innovation, technology investment, and employee development allow Maybank to respond better to change in the banking industry. So lastly, this action supported long-term sustainability by continuously investing in technology, talent development, and innovation. Maybank create a future-ready organization that can sustain its growth and remain competitive. In conclusion, the action taken by Maybank when effective because they improve employee readiness, increase operational efficiency, enhance customer satisfaction, and strengthen the organization long-term competitiveness. This demonstrates a successful organizational development transformation. So thank you for me.
In conclusion, our group agrees that Maybank organizational development and change has been highly successful. The organization has successfully balanced technological innovation with employee well-being through its digital transformation journey. Rather than focusing only on adapting new technologies, Maybank has also invested in leadership development, workforce flexibility, employee engagement, and continual learning. These initiatives have helped employees adapt to organizational change while maintaining high performance and delivering better customer service. We believe they reflects the true principle of the organization development, which aim to improve both organizational performance and employee development. By investing in both people and technology, Maybank has created a more resilient, innovation, and sustainable organization. As a result, Maybank has strengthened its competitiveness in the banking industry, enhanced the customer experience, and created long-term value for its customer, employees, and other stakeholders. This case also demonstrated that successful organizational change depend not only on digital transformation but also on effective leadership, strong employee support, and a culture of continuous improvement. Overall, Maybank serves as an excellent example of how organizations can successfully manage change while ensuring that both business goals and employee well-being are achieved. With that, we have come to the end of presentation. Thank you.